welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will do an unboxing video, and this time I have ordered 2 orchids from Secret Garden, and if you can believe, in this humongous box I only have 2 orchids, so I'm really curious to see how they look like in real life, let's say, because from the orchid shops from Romania I always see real pictures with the orchids. So I did not anticipate that they will be so tall, but it also might be that the shop didn't have any more smaller boxes and they just used what they have. Here they are, guys. They are indeed very tall. I'm not sure how well you are seeing this. Actually, I hope now you will see a bit more. So here they are. I'm very, very curious to see them. I already can feel the fragrance of them, so that is quite nice. This is a very big one. They are both Cambria orchids, let's say. One of them is this one, Miltonidium Bartley Schwartz white. Alrighty, this is a huge orchid. Look at this sweet bulb, it is as big as my palm. I'm not sure how good you are seeing this. Maybe now. So the sweet bulb is super huge and the blooms are gorgeous. Look at that. She has humongous leaves, and I will completely unpack it so I can see the root system as well. Finally, we got it out. Almost. I really don't need the tag. Of course, it says Cambria, but we know that this is a Miltonidium Bartley Schwartz. Look at this sweet bulb. It's so big. I will need to shower a bit this orchid because it's full of dust. It has 2 very big spikes. I don't really feel her fragrance right now, but I heard she is also very fragrant. I had in the past, or I actually have the red with white version. This is the white with red, let's say. I'm really curious if it is any difference in the fragrance. And she is very healthy. She has very big leaves, huge leaves. I don't think I ever saw Oncidium type orchid with these big leaves. Look at that. She's huge. Gorgeous one. And now the second one. Oh, by the way, the previous orchid costed me 40 RON, and that would be almost 10 euros, about 8 euros, let's say. So the price was very good for the size of it, of course. And this is the one which I can feel the fragrance of, even through the papers. And she arrived in perfect condition from what I can see. I don't think I ever saw one which is this healthy. So yes, guys, this is Miltonidium Nelly Isler, or Burrageara Nelly Isler, whatever you want to call it, they are synonyms. The fragrance of this orchid is absolutely delicious in my opinion, but some people do find it a bit too strong. It does resemble lemons, let's say. Some describe it as a bit artificial, and indeed it is, but it's a lovely fragrance. And look at these fat suitables. This. Have you ever saw Nelly Isler with these fat suitabulbs? This is why I purchased it. Look at that. They like little onions. Really nice ones. I do suspect she has multiple directions of growth, at least two. She has these two very big spikes actually. And oh my, this fragrance, I really love this fragrance. I have one more Nelly Isler, but they have yeah, I have a leaf which is stuck from in between the spike and the stake, but this is not their fault, because they only bought it from somewhere else. Oh my, I really love this fragrance. She is gorgeous. And I'm quite surprised to see these fat suitabulbs. And actually, each of them has one spike. Curious, because these usually are able to produce two spikes from each suitable, but that is not a problem for me at all. I'm trying to take a close at the roots, and they do seem alive. Not sure if they would survive in semi-hydro right now, so she won't get repotted now in semi-hydro. She will stay in this medium for a bit more time, because I need to repot her when she will have new growth, which will produce new roots, and that can take about 2 to 3 more months even. And if I would repot her right now, the root system, which is old in semi-hydro, might die, and I don't want to stress this orchid because she's already quite a fussy one. Look at that, she's so gorgeous. I adore them. And here they are on the windowsill. They do seem quite happy. I really love their fragrance. This one has a quite interesting shape, typical for an Oncidium type. And this one is one of my favorites actually. I do believe they look quite pretty there together. This one is starting to fade, but her fragrance can still fill my room. So alright guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching and see you all next time. Bye!